Today we are diving into the world of cozy lighting with an exciting unboxing of not one, not two, but three amazing LED bed lamps. Each of these lamps has its own unique features, perfect for different needs and styles. So let's keep the darkness at bay and find the perfect light for you. First up, Crompton Night Buddy, priced at 127 rupees. Next, the Chilly Fit Night Lamp, priced at 227 rupees. Next up, Desi Diya Night Lamp, priced at 789 rupees. Crompton Night Buddy is the most budget-friendly option, priced at just 127 rupees and using only 0.5 watts. We chose the warm light option and it comes with a turbo charging feature and indirect lighting. The MRP is 178 rupees. The design is simple yet effective, boasting a 2-pin white plastic exterior. The build quality feels good and look at that USB port for charging. The light is angled upwards for a soft indirect glow. Now let's check out the Chilly Fit Night Lamp. We got a set of two for 227 rupees. Also it uses 0.5 watts. Now this one is unbranded and mostly comes from bulk imports. But let's see what's inside. We have got two identical units here and I love the simple square design. There is an LED strip on the outer edge which gives it a nice touch. However, I must say the fit and finish could use a little more love. The light sensor is centrally located, but the front sticker looks a bit amateurish. The second lamp has a slightly better finish though. Overall, decent for the price. Now let's move on to the lovely fawn nightlight. It comes in a beautifully designed package, definitely gift worthy. MRP says 999 but we got it for 789. And it features rechargeable color changing lights. So let's see what's inside the box. We find a micro USB charging cable. Then the adorable fawn nightlight and a handy manual. Wish it was a Type-C for a more future-proof experience. The manual includes a warranty card as well and some decent product instructions. Now let's unwrap the light. The night lamp itself is soft to touch with a cute little face that just melts your heart. There's a power button that acts also as a timer, and at the rear there is a charging port that is very conveniently located. Plus, it's made of silicone and BPA free, making it super kid friendly. To operate, just give it a squeeze. We will soon test it out. Alright, let's light up the room. First up, the Crompton Glow. It's quite bright when looked at directly, but it creates a soothing indirect light that fills the room beautifully. This is perfect for those with limited points because it houses a charger as well. It offers fantastic value for money and the quality is impressive for the price. Now, on to the Chilly Fit Night Lamp. Let's power it on. Oh wait, nothing's happening. That's because it only works in the dark. Let me cover the sensor with my finger. And there it goes. It lights up magically. Plus, it adjusts its brightness based on the surrounding darkness. I love the stylish glow it gives off. Definitely a switch on and forget kind of lamp. Super low maintenance. Finally, the fawn lamp. To get started, we need to power it on using the button below. Then just tap or squeeze to activate the light. Wow! This looks straight out of a fairy tale. The lighting is so soft and easy on the eyes. However, I did notice that the tapping and squeezing experience isn't as smooth as I had hoped. Sometimes the commands don't work as expected. Here's how it works. The first tap changes the brightness from 50% to 100%. The second tap cycles through 7 rainbow colors. The third tap lets you choose your favorite color. And the fourth tap turns it off. Overall, I am really impressed with the color variations, gift potential, and the light quality of this lamp. It's a fantastic option for gifting and brings a vibrant touch to any room. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I hope this unboxing helped you find the perfect LED bed lamp to brighten up your space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit